최고.
Go Luigi, go Luigi. Wah! Om natuturo sa reparo.
Alright, you see this tree? Yeah. You see this beautiful motherfucking tree? Yes, I see it.
You are gonna like it!
Oh hell no!
I'm king of the squirrels! No! My bow! Call an ambulance! Oh dear karma! I'm on fire! No, I'm slowly melting away! I'm engulfed in searing hot!
I'm really sorry about this.
You, man! You suck!
I love how gentle you are!
Oh, sweet sassy molassie! God damn it! Waka 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 waka.
I've seen the end of the world. It is terrifying. It makes my blood boil.
Why won't somebody end my life? I wanna die.
Well,
My house is a lot like my shell. I feel safe here. But going out is a bit difficult because not everyone can understand why I live this way. But the worst part is it's hard to keep a steady job.
Fire!
You know, and have a stable income. Why? Who have you talked to? Was it Sarah? Because if you have, they're all lies.
You'll never take me alive! Ah!
Jesus! Sweet, merciful crap! Oh god. Oh my god, it's so good.